How are you everyone, and welcome back to Hustle Performance YouTube channel. I must say a really big thank you. Thank you to all of you guys, our viewers, for your engagement on YouTube and all of our social. You guys have been asking us, what suspension are we going to fit to our Mustang GT? So in today's video, we're going to show you exactly that. What we've opted to go with is the Ford Performance FR3 handling package. The reason we've gone with this particular kit is it really is the complete best bang for buck when it comes to a suspension package for this Mustang GT. We could go coilovers. If it was a complete track day setup, I'll touch on that again in a little bit more. But again, being a daily driven vehicle, we're gonna rely on Ford Performance FR3. Today, we're back down at Harrods. The boys are gonna go inside the shop, fit the suspension to the car, then we're gonna jump in, take it for a drive, and come back to you and tell you what we found. Tell you how we find the car to drive, and then, like I said, explain why we've gone for this particular setup over coilovers or the like. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let's get the car in the shop and let's drop this car, that 25 mil. Wow. This FR3 suspension kit really does make this car point and shoot. The car's gonna have more skill than I have now. And I truly mean that. Please don't think I'm saying anything bad about the factory suspension in this Mustang GT. As a factory car, it drove better than anything else I've driven in a long time. But now with this Ford Performance suspension package, it really has just completely transformed the car. It's a different car to drive. I want to touch back on what I said before about coilovers. Please don't think I'm judging, nor am I saying anything bad about coilovers. If we were building this car as a predominant track car that only touched the road maybe once a month or less, we would have gone for coilovers. The reason being, it would allow us to actually set the car up for each track. Now, the reason we've gone for the Ford Performance FR3 suspension package is, as a whole kit, it really is the best bang for buck. Not just that, this car is a general daily driver car, and we're not going for heights like everyone else always is. We want a car that's going to be able to go over bumps, in and out of driveways, but when we want to get some aggressive steering happening, it does what we want it to do. Best bang for buck again, the Ford Performance kit. Comes with whole new front assemblies, rear shocks, rear springs, front and rear sway bars, different bushes. You really can't go wrong with it. Now, as an overall car, I want to get this out on the road, find a nice stretch, and let's really see what this thing can turn like. Again, in the comments section below, keep letting us know what you'd like to see in each episode. Do us that favor, hit that like button, tell your friends about us, hit that subscribe button. As always, thank you to the guys who constantly support us, Herod Performance, Mustang Mods, and Full Throttle Custom Garage. I'm gonna get this car out on the road and see what it steers like. I'll see you in the next episode.